Between the Can-Am brand's history in off-road dating to motocross motorcycles in the 1970s and ATVs that brought the company back in the 1990s, it's amazing how long it took, more than 15 years since the Spyder three-wheeler was introduced, to develop a truly transportable version of the vehicle. It was then introduced as the shape of the Can-Am Canyon, a hardcore adventure vehicle that is fitted with long travel suspension and an appearance of toughness. The same 1,330cc three-cylinder engine that the latest Spyder models boast of fits inside this model. Thanks in large part to the popularity along with longevity of BMW's GS Boxer versions, adventure motorbikes have attained the status of a worldwide phenomenon over the past 20 years, topping sales charts in dozens of countries. It takes but a look to notice that Canyon borrows styling cues from that market. A hooded headlight, plate-walled body panels with external connectors, boxy trunk, and the last generation of Jeeps and pickup trucks are references to modern adventure motorcycle trends. It is not all about show and tell, though, with the Canyon's long travel suspensions showing some honest-to-goodness off-road potential. And Can-Am's engineers have spent decades riding side-by-sides and ATVs, so there is absolutely no reason to question the capability to make it work. The far more diminutive Ryker Rally did show some promise as an adventure-style upside-down tricycle, but this Canyon outclasses its performance and size with 115 horsepower and 1,330 cc versus 82 horsepower and 900 cc in the Ryker Rally. In all, it boasts 10.2 inches of travel up front, twice that of the Spyder, and more than 3 inches more than the Ryker Rally, and 9.2 inches of travel in the back. It's also at least 328 pounds heavier, larger in every dimension, and seats 2 people, while the Ryker Rally is a solo seat affair. Can-Am offers 3 Canyon models: Standard, XT, and Redrock. All have different degrees of kit and suspension, but the same engine throughout. Starting at the bottom, the basic model has Sachs shocks front and rear and tips the scales at 996 pounds, sans suspension, with an MSRP of $25,299 with no trunk. The aluminum top and side containers carry 31.7 gallons of storage for the $29,799 XT and go a long way toward adding significant weight to the vehicle, which tips the scales at 1,036 pounds sans suspension. Other XT accessories include heated grips and a Sachs self-leveling rear suspension with air preload adjustment. If you continue farther up the food chain, the Redrock model begins at $32,299 and adds a backup camera and KYB Smart Shocks semi-active suspension at both ends. And just like on the Spyder, the Canyon's 6-speed semi-automatic gearbox features a reverse ratio, too. The Redrock also gets a unique satin green paint job, unlike the Standard and XT models, available only in satin silver. All models have single-piston rear calipers and standard ABS, along with identical Brembo 4-pot front calipers on 270mm discs. There's a 10.25-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Can-Am's proprietary BRP Connect software, which commands 4 riding modes or 5 on the Redrock, which also has a tailored setup standard. In addition to the standard programmable screen, Can-Am's LinQ technology also allows for tool-free mounting of baggage and accessories at over 20 mounting points. Similar to the Spyder, the Canyon has a respectable 400-pound towing capacity. Another addition to Can-Am's three-wheeler portfolio for 2025 is the backup camera, which is available as an optional item on other models, with the 10.25-inch touchscreen and standard on the Spyder F3 Limited Special Series, $30,699, and Spyder RTC to Sky, $33,199. It can also be seen on Canyon Redrock. New colors on offer across the board include Mineral Blue for the Spyder RT, $26,799, and RT Limited, $30,699, F3T, $24,800, and F3 Limited. The latter also gets new 16-spoke wheels. British Green Metallic and Dusk Metallic are two brand new, unique shades for the F3 Limited Special Series and top-of-the-line RTC to Sky. The more reasonably priced Riker gets no more for 2025 than the addition of 4 new colors: Atlantis Gold, Cyber Orange, Urban Blue and Mocha Plaid to an already broad palette of panel kit colors.
Bye.